It's a lady! This week's question comes from Pi Loves Cats. And Pi Loves Cats says, as a fellow cat lady, I'm a little embarrassed asking this question, but my fiance's cat Falcor drools pretty profusely when he's being pet. He'll happily knead and snuggle, but when he shakes his head we get a shower akin to that of a mini Saint Bernard. So, tell me, why is this so... Oh yeah, and it's not a tooth issue. That has already been discovered. Guys, come back. Drooling is an involuntary response, as Pavlov proved with his dogs and little kittens. They might knead on a nipple when it's time to feed. I suspect they would salivate when the time comes to masticate. Occasional drooling signals contentment, especially if it starts when you pet them. Consider it a display of affection when it starts to cool on you. The drool. If it is sudden or excessive, it might be pseudotylism due to a dental malocclusion. Real tylism is a disorder of the central nervous system. Or nausea, seizures, or liver disease, renal failure, or rabies. Drugs in their blood cause toxicity from chemicals or some treatments for fleas. Occasional drooling signals contentment, especially if it starts when you pet them. Consider it a display of affection when it starts to pull on you. Occasional drooling signals contentment, especially if it starts when you pet them. Consider it a display of affection when it starts to pull on you. The drool. Is this the kitty cat I catch?